Today, I decided to pour a little holiday spirit onto the canvas. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm going to be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas with a clean white base. And then I'm going to pour black puddles right in the center. And also I'm going to pour classic holiday colors, red and green, layered on top. I'll finish it off with gold accent to bring in that festive sparkle. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment to thank everyone who takes the time to watch my videos. Your views, comments, and support truly mean more than you know. Knowing that you choose to spend a few moments of your day here watching my art unfold is something I'm deeply grateful for. Thank you for being part of this creative journey with me. This color combination instantly gave me a Christmas vibe. The red and green feels playful and nostalgic. The gold adds warmth and shimmer, and the white base keeps everything light and joyful, just like the holiday season. When you work with a white base like this, every color choice becomes more intentional. White reflects light, so bold colors like red and green appear brighter and more festive, while black adds contrast and structure. Placing black in the center first helps ground the painting and gives the other colors something to react against. The gold on top acts like a highlight. It catches the light and adds that extra holiday sparkle without overpowering the design. Once the puddles were in place, I used the blow dryer to guide the paint outward, letting the colors stretch, blend, and create soft, abstract shapes. Watching the paint move like this is always satisfying, but during the holidays, it feels extra special. There's something really fun about turning seasonal colors into abstract art. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to feel joyful. When you look at this painting, what do you see? Christmas lights, ornaments, wreaths, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments. And this is always my favorite part, the moment when the painting reveals itself. The colors start finding their place, and suddenly the holiday feeling really shows up. These discovery moments are why I love acrylic pouring so much. You can plan the colors, but the joy happens when the paint surprises you. And here's the final result: bold, festive, and full of holiday energy. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to wish you all a very happy holiday and a Merry Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember, stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.